Hello everybody, my name is Terry Phillips. So let's jump into this Flutter. Create --org edu uco t Phillips 24 lesson 0. Enter. Next, we're going to open up Visual Studio Code. Then we're going to hit Open Folder, Lesson 0, select folder. Now we're going to hit View, Terminal. Now we're going to do Flutter emulators. Here I have the pixel, so we're just going to copy that. Flutter emulators -- launch. This will take a second. Once it's launched, do Flutter run. Initialize Gradle to 2 seconds. 7 seconds. So we set the way. "45 seconds, 3 seconds, and now you can see that it's launched. It says you have pushed the button this many times. Oh. Now press lib, main dart, scroll all the way down, and change this to I have pressed this button this many times. Go to the terminal, press R, pull this back up, and it changed to I have pushed. You can click this and it runs.